ever thought about when you were sitting in the doctor's office waiting for a long time, that you go into the doctor's office and you only get to spend a few minutes and the doctor kick you out? The doctor doesn't even seem to care. They don't want to listen to you. They just want to give you a tablet to treat your symptoms. They're not even looking into your root cause of why you're not feeling unwell. I have found that patients want to be heard. They want to be spent the time and they want to be listened to. They want to get their symptoms sorted out and look at the root cause. Researchers showed us in the 2016 study that in the National Health and Wellness Survey says that only 18% of American is metabolically healthy. What that means is the body is functioning well. So which means that 80%, over 80% of Americans can develop chronic conditions such as diabetes, cancer, Alzheimer's disease, and that was 2016. Australia is not that far behind. My name is Dr. Avi Charlton. I'm a lifestyle GP. I have 6 years of medical school, 20 years of clinical practice, and 5 years of prescribing lifestyle. I like to prescribe you with healthy lifestyle, good lifestyle, so I can avoid prescribing you medication, which I still can. I'm going to take you back in 2014. My kids were very little. I was a young mum and I was tired, not looking after myself, a little bit chubby, and I was in my clinic just another day. I was consulting. A patient came in to see me, and after dealing with her medical problem, we were just having a chat, and she said, "Oh, you're having another baby." And I said, "No, I'm not. I've had my 2 kids already, and that's enough." In that moment, I was thinking, oh my God, a fat doctor is really not very good. And I thought about my mum is actually a type 2 diabetic. And us Chinese and a lot of Asians and actually Indians, we don't show out that we're overweight, we're fat, and we can be quite metabolically unwell inside. So I remember the days when I signed up to be a doctor. I want to help people. I want to treat patients, make them healthy. I don't want to just give them a tablet and just take 10 minutes in and out like a supermarket. So I set on a mission. I want to prescribe myself with healthy lifestyle. I'm on a mission to prescribe lifestyle to my patients, as well as medications if needed. I joined the local gym. I took on strength training. I started running, and I eventually ran 2 marathons and walked up 100 kilometers Oxfam walk. And I wanted to learn more. My personal trainer showed me how to eat good, and I was quite embarrassed that I didn't know how to eat well. So I learned more. I took up lots of courses, nutrition, lifestyle, breath work, and I started prescribing lifestyle to my patients. I found this very rewarding. My patients start to gain health, they lose weight, they feel much more energy, they improve their gut health, and I want them to be heard. So my consultations have changed from 10 minutes to 45 minutes so they can be heard, and I can listen to them, make them feel empowered that they can look into their lifestyle. And some patients even produce babies, whereas they couldn't because they have improved their health, improved their lifestyle. So I'm going to spread the word, and I'm going to take this to my fellow doctors and tell them that you can improve your patient's life by prescribing lifestyle. Even patients can improve their lifestyle and improve their health. I want to leave you with 3 things that you can take away today. First of all, improve your nutrition. Just eat real food. Lots of meat, eggs, chicken, fish, protein, and healthy veggies. And make the sugar and the carbs sometimes food. Number 2 is find some movement, physical activity. Find something that you enjoy. For example, play with your kids, go walking, take up running, and play with your kids. Number 3 is manage your stress. Your life is going to be stressful. Your life will throw balls at you. But if you learn to regulate your nervous system, you can manage it. For example, through breath work, meditation, and whatever that helps you. And I'm going to give you a bonus, is optimize your sleep. If you sleep well, you can manage it all. And check out my podcast called Prescribing Lifestyle, so you can thrive, not just survive.
Well done, well done. Oh, Dr. Avey, I tell you, that was good. That was very, very good. Obviously you mentioned earlier on that you want to get more speaking opportunities, etc. Mate, you're solid. You are a solid speaker. And now it's about learning the hustle and the game of the speaking industry, yeah, which is something that we will teach you ongoing as well. However, I also, I love that you want to get more into the education of health, rather than just the prescription of health. So congratulations, and it's very much so needed. You remind me of one of our other proteges who basically came along to boot camp, then decided to be on this journey with us. Now, what she does, right, every single week she does, she creates, she's done an e-learning course, which is great. I love the idea of you've got your podcasts out, but let's drive more traffic to that as well. But at the moment, she's sitting on panels, she's regularly speaking as well, but she also does group coaching as well, which is great. And I think the more that you look at a practice, not necessarily from a standard doctor practice, but a practice of actually helping and empowering people and looking at that preventative health, I think that's going to be gold for you. So it is time for you to boost your profile, for you to be seen, heard, noticed, and for you to claim some of those opportunities for you to speak more. I love your message, and certainly your greatest days are ahead of you. Come on, let's give her a hand!